In this video I'm going to show you how you can create the thumbnails for your YouTube videos. So I'm currently using the Photoshop version 2021. So if you're using some other version, the interface of the Photoshop might differ slightly. So first of all, I'm going to open and click new. From the new, you need to select the resolution, width or height for your thumbnail or canvas. I generally select 1280 and 720 pixels in the landscape format, and here you can also give it a name, and otherwise you can just keep it untitled and click create. So now you will have a blank canvas. From here on, it all depends on your imagination and the amount of work you want to put in, that what kind of a thumbnail you want to create for your YouTube videos. What I generally do, that I just drag an image as a background for my thumbnails, and I just bring that image all across the canvas so that the image fills the whole canvas, because I will be using this image as my background. To improve the background, I would change its saturation by going to image adjustment and then going to saturation, and from here I'll just bring that to maximum, and from here I'll change the color also, because I want to show it for the YouTube videos. So I'll try to make this, so I'll try to change the color of the background so that it matches with the for which I'm making the thumbnail. In this case, as I'm making it for the YouTube videos, so I've changed the color to red. I'll just click OK, and then I will take a frame. I'll draw that frame. I'll make that empty. So I've just created a border which I'm going to put at the edges. I'll edit it and I'll increase that. Just click on this rectangle, go to the edit, click free transform, and then drag it to bring it on the whole canvas. You have to unblock this and then you can adjust it as per your own requirement. And then I create a circle by going here and selecting the circle, filling that circle with a white color, moving that circle down, and then I'm going to paste the Photoshop symbol in this circle, and then you need to add the text. So you can adjust the font. You can later on adjust the brightness or even change the color. Even if you need to give an outline to your text, you can also do that. And once you feel that now everything is okay, you can just go to the save, click export, click save as. From here you need to select the type. If you want to save it as a JPG, you need to select the folder in which you want to save, give the file a name, and click save. Let's go and see how our thumbnail is looking now. And a minor change which I would like to do is and now I've changed the border of the thumbnail, and now I'm going to save this and see that So I'm going to save this as well, and I'm going to see that how does it differ from the previous one. I think this one looks a little better, so I'm just going to keep this one. So this is how you can create the thumbnails in your Photoshop for your YouTube videos. If you have found some value in this video, do give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe this channel.